Do you want to know what you can do to make a man miss you? Well, in this video, I'm going to talk about how to draw a man in and make him not be able to stop thinking about you. So here we go. Let's dive right in. A woman often pines away for a man after meeting him once, after one date, after, only really having small contact with him. And that can be really off-putting for a man. Well, what if we can get a man to crave us and make him miss us? Here is the way to do it. So the way that you are showing up while you are with him is the first step. So you're showing up, you're creating memories, you're creating moments, and you're showing up in your femininity. You're not pressuring him energetically. You don't have pushy energy and you don't have waiting energy. So you're staying present, and you're creating wonderful, fun, light, open moments while you are with him. When you're not with him, that's when the real work begins. That is where you fill your life up so much that he doesn't feel any pressure from you. How do you do that? Well, you use my abundance dating method, where you're dating other men, you're constantly filling up your social life with friends, other men, family, busy things that you love to do. Fill yourself up, fill your life up with things you love to do. Let him reach out to you first. Let him reach out to you because it takes a man some time, often, to miss you, to feel that longing, to remember that amazing date that you just had that made him feel, really safe, and that made him feel like you are really an amazing woman. But it takes some time. So give him time to crave you, and then let him reach out first. A man hates it when you reach out before he's ready. It creates this sense of urgency. He is always, kind of catching up to how strongly you feel, rather than really establishing his own feelings for you over the course of dating him, over the course of dating you. And it really makes him feel pressure. Now, we know men don't like pressure. Well, this is where that pressure comes from. Stop fixating on him. Stop trying to get him to call you. Stop trying to move the relationship along and ask him where you stand. Focus elsewhere. Focus on your own life. Fill your life with joy, fun, pleasure, other men, and he will certainly crave you. If you liked this video, hit the thumbs up button to let me know. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And if you want to be notified, hit the bell button as well. I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.